Howdy. So, you went out and picked yourself up the Plugable PS-10CC 10-port charger and plugged in, well, basically everything you own. And now you're wondering, why isn't everything charging all at the same time? Great question. While the PS-10CC is a smart charger, it's not magic. So let's break it down. So let's say you've got 100 watts coming in, and you've plugged in 10 laptops, and they all want 100 watts each. Well, that math don't add up. That's why the PS-10CC charges your devices in priority order from left to right based on the power available. Think of it like a buffet line. The device at the front gets fed first. If that first laptop is grabbing up, say, 85 watts, there's not much left for the others. Yet. But once it's almost full and starts sipping instead of chugging, well, then the PS-10CC reallocates the power to the next hungry gadget down the line. Now, let's say you're charging smaller stuff like phones or, I don't know, earbuds. The PS-10CC can charge several devices at once. Say that first device only needs 20 watts. Well, that leaves 80 watts for the next device. And let's say that device only needs 20 watts. Well, now you've got 60 watts available for the next device. And if that device only needs 20 watts, well, you can see where this is going. Less power needed, more power to go around. And yes, sometimes it might seem like nothing is happening for a few minutes. That's normal. The PS-10CC waits for things to stabilize before moving on. It's very cautious, but a very polite power manager. Now remember, charging times can vary depending on what's plugged in and how those devices behave, but trust the process. The PS-10CC is doing the math, checking the flow, making sure everything is charging just right. Want to get more granular with it? Check out the description for links to more resources. Thanks, y'all.